Colloquial.
Unit 17. Cooking noodles.
Shadowing.
Part 1.
Sophia wanted to cook noodles for her family. She went to the store with her mom and picked out the ingredients: noodles, vegetables, and spices. When they got home, Sophia helped her mom prepare the vegetables while her dad boiled the water. Then, Sophia put the noodles in the pot to cook. She stirred the noodles carefully and added the vegetables and spices. The kitchen was filled with the delicious aroma of the cooking noodles.
Part 2.
After a few minutes, the noodles were done. Sophia helped her mom and dad serve them up into bowls. They all sat down at the table and enjoyed the delicious meal together. Sophia was so happy to have helped cook the noodles. She learned that cooking can be fun and that she can help her family by making delicious meals for them.